So things went well until we added brake fluid to all the lines, and we found all the leaks, lots of leaks. We think it's because the flaring tool we used, it was a budget tool that I found online. It didn't make straight flares. Everyone was a bit wonky, so it didn't work that great. Mike and Noreen had to leave early because of a freezing rain storm that's heading our way. So I'm going to order a better flaring tool, and I'm going to remove all the lines that we installed and remake all the ends with the new flaring tool, and hopefully we'll have brakes one day. Thanks a lot for watching.